Quick reading for June the 7th to June the 8th, Leo. Your cards are the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. Mas mafe-feel natin yung attachment ni person sa atin ngayon, no? Siguro pinag-iisipan pa ni person before kung ibibigay niya na ba sa yung commitment, kung makikipag-ayos na ba siya, kung makikipag-compromise na ba siya sa mga bagay na gusto mo. I feel like with the Six of Pentacles, meron ditong agreement between you and your person. Para magkakaroon dito either confrontations or pag-uusap, no? With the Two of Pentacles clarified with the Three of Swords and the Hangman, chances are gusto mong maintindihan or malaman kung nasaan ka sa buhay ni person. I feel like nandito yung itatanong mo kay person, does my person still wants to continue the connection? Or ano ba ang lagay or status namin nitong taong ito? Clarity is going to be experienced because with the Two of Cups, nandito yung pag-amin na mahal kita or mahal pa rin kita. This is your quick reading for June the 7th to June the 8th, Leo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.